I am nothing in the piano, but have a very, very good pianist in Deutschland. And I thought, after my university, I need to go to university, Cologne University, to learn in Cologne University. It's from my dream, with war, without war. The German people, he listen very, very beautiful, and he can emotion and make it emotion. You can see the eyes. Yeah, I prefer the same because I see the eyes with the children when I play some things. He is lovely and yes, happy. Yeah, and I see these things in the German people. I am tired, not nervous, but I feel good and like energy because I have a lot of people in Syria. He needed voice and he don't have it voice in Europe.